Hi and welcome to the site lab at Jevnaker Motocross. So like and subscribe, and here we go. It's my first time here in Jevnaker in the summer. I've been here driving in the winter, but so that's another track. I've run this track one time in the winter also, but it was really nice summer. It was sandy, as you can see in the turns, but not that very deep sand. So, and here I should probably have a more steady throttle, but anyway, here is a nice jump also. So, and here is also two jumps in a row, and here it's quite hard packed. Not so soft, but the turns are very soft, so that is nice. And here I got passed, which is very common for me since I'm a quite slow rider, but it's good. You can see where the faster rider goes. That line was some better later on. But this turn is quite hard, and I think for me this is the most difficult part of the track. It's quite steep downwards, and this turn here is so big holes, and I don't know, it was hard for me. But this straight is nice, and there some pass me fast again. That is like it used to be, but I try to keep out so they can pass me. So these jumps are nice. And so then we done the whole site lap. So I hope you like and subscribe and come back for more. And here I got some roasted also. So, but that's okay. Here I run one-handed, so, and here it's the end.